Hi, welcome back to our channel. Today I am going to explain the Tambola game that's from Ekta Products Private Limited Company. Above 7 years age, we can play this game. They have listed right 90 numbers, coins they have, and 600 tickets they have, and a board that contain numbers from 1 to 90. By using this, we are going to play the Tambola game. And they give warning not suitable for children under 3 years. Contains small parts. Okay, let me unbox it. See, they have a board that contain numbers right from 1 to 90. There is the numbers, coins. This side they have 1 to 45, and the back they have from 46 to 90. And this is the booklet of tickets. Okay. Now let me open the number coins. And separately we have break that coins, number coins. Likewise, we have to break all the numbers. Now I am separated all the coins. Okay, by this we can play the Tambola game. First have that number board. Based on the players, we can distribute the tickets. For each player, we have to distribute each ticket. Okay. So randomly, we are going to select the number. First, I'm selecting 8. We have to place the 8 on the board and have a ticket and check whether the number 8 is there in the ticket. Yes, it's there. So we make a cross on it. So the number gets cancelled. Next, we have to randomly select another one number. It's 53. We have to place the 53 on the board and check whether the 53 present in the ticket. Yeah, it's there. Again, we have to put the cross. First row gets completed. See, the second row also gets completed. All numbers get cancelled. Now all numbers get cancelled. So this ticket player gets win. If you play this game with a lot of numbers, means you can give some prize to them if they completed one row or two rows or whole ticket numbers. Okay, these are the rules that I have to follow to play that Tambola. Yeah, you can play this Tambola and enjoy it. This Tambola game, you can make a kid to learn numbers and addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, whatever it is. You can learn by using this board and using this coin also. I will show that in the next video. Please watch that video also. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, subscribe and click the bell icon. Then only you will receive my upcoming videos.